Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Math, Section 1.4, Problem 29. This is Section 1.4, Problem 29. It says Karen makes a batch of 24 chocolate chip cookies. The next day she notices that there are 13 cookies left. How many were eaten? So what we have to do is take the 24 cookies that were made originally in the entire batch, subtract off the 13 cookies that are left, and you'll see how many were eaten. So now if I take the rightmost column of digits and subtract 4 minus 3 gives me a 1, then I move over one column of digits to the left, and that gives me 2 minus 1, which is also 1. So there are 11. So if there are 13 cookies left out of the batch of 24, that means 11 of the cookies have been eaten so far.